Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. Today, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your Netgear EAX12 AX1600 Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. Whether you're looking to extend your existing Wi-Fi network for better coverage or boost your internet speeds, this guide will cover everything you need to get your EAX12 up and running. From unboxing to manual setup and troubleshooting, we'll ensure you're fully equipped to optimize your home or office network. Then comes the Netgear EAX1600 extender unboxing. So inside the box, you'll find the Netgear EAX12 AX1600 Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. The sleek design makes it a seamless addition to any environment, and with the included accessories, you'll be ready to set it up in no time. Let's begin with the manual setup method. This process involves connecting your extender to the existing Wi-Fi network using a web browser. It's a straightforward approach that allows you to have complete control over the network configuration, ensuring your extender is perfectly aligned with your specific needs. So firstly, plug your EAX12 AX1600 into a power outlet and make sure the device is turned on, and check that the power LED on the extender is solid, indicating it's powered up and ready to be configured. You can use either your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop for the setup process. Now click on the Wi-Fi icon on your device's taskbar to view the list of available networks. From the Wi-Fi network list, select Netgear_EXT to connect to the extender. Then open a web browser and navigate to mywifi.ext.net to access the Netgear Genie Setup Wizard. If prompted, create a Netgear account to proceed with the setup. Then select the Wi-Fi range extender option from the setup menu to begin extending your existing network. Now you'll be asked to select the name of the network, SSID, that you wish to extend. Choose your home router's network SSID. And then enter the password for your home network to ensure the extender connects properly. You should now see your extended network with the same name as your home router's network, but with _EXT added to the end. Don't forget to review your settings and click Finish to complete the setup process. Once configured, try reconnecting to the extended network. The setup process is now complete, and your EAX12 AX1600 is ready to provide enhanced Wi-Fi coverage. Once configured, try reconnecting to the extended network.